That right 2. Now that right 3. Wando Rondo, if you watching this, just know you my baby.
Yeah. Oh, we get lost in the night. We living in life, we don't live it twice, so we gon' get right. Oh, yeah.
What's good, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. As y'all can see, I'm wearing a wig, and if you couldn't see, thank you. But I got my hair from AFSISTER wig or whatever, and this is the hair Jessie, and they say it's a 13 by 6 deep parting lace front pre-plucked virgin human hair lace wig. This is 16 inches, and this is the second wig I've installed myself, and I think I did a pretty good job. I would think. But I installed this hair 2 days ago. No, was it 2 days ago? No, I installed this hair yesterday. I wore it all day today. Wore this makeup all day today. So if I'm looking a little crusty, don't come at me. Don't come for me. Okay? But yeah, this is the wig. I think it looks bomb. Bomb.com. I wore it to a little baby shower today. I'm gonna drop some pictures. I'm gonna make it my thumbnail or whatever because it looked good, sis. Not to toot my own horn or nothing, but I'm gonna toot my own horn. Because if I don't, who is? Nobody. But yeah, this video is just gonna be me just literally installing the wig. The installation process is literally bogus, so don't come for me. Like, it's literally bogus. But the end product nice, that's all I care about. But yeah, this is the hair. I like it, I love it. It's nice or whatever. This is my second time installing a wig, and if y'all want a wig that, like, if you're a beginner and you don't really be doing it like that, then I feel like this is a good product for y'all. Yeah, because it was a great one for me. Period. Oh, I'm always up late. Even in the video, you'll see like I'm up doing my hair late as hell. It's 1:47 right now. Like, I'm just up because I don't know how to sleep. It's bad. So bad. Okay, I just went ahead and started braiding my hair, and it's just to keep the wig flat underneath. And I know it's not perfect or whatever, it doesn't really need to be, but I got it as flat as I could be. And you know, these are my cornrows or whatever. Okay, I just finished braiding my hair and it's now 2:08 a.m. and I'm tired as hell. So I'm just about to finish this tomorrow. Wrap my hair up, go to class looking crazy like I always do, but I'm gonna just catch y'all tomorrow. I'm gonna snooze. Alright, back. Alright, y'all, I'm back. I went to class, came back, went to class like a wild man. Now I'm actually gonna finish it. So I wrapped my hair up because first of all, my braids work. I'm not walking around like that, and I like gelled back my edges so like they'd sit and they wouldn't get in the way of my cap. Yeah, it worked because that's so annoying. I hate gluing my edges. Like, my edges are nothing. Touch my glue. Okay, but now what I'm gonna do is sew the back of the braids because I didn't sew them last night because I didn't want them to come loose. So I'm gonna sew this up real quick, and yeah. Okay, these are not perfect either, but I kind of learned now that I could have got them flatter because the back of my head was a little bulgy or whatever. So that's just a side note. Just make sure you sewing it so it's like real flat or whatever. I just wanted it up and out the way. I didn't really think to make it flat. Okay, now I'm one step closer to becoming bald, or looking bald. That's the goal. And I'm not professional or none. My sewing job was probably not how you sew here, but is up, right? It's up. Okay, so the hair did come with wig caps, but I'm gonna use my own because it matches my skin tone better, I would think. Okay, it doesn't at all, but it's compared to this. This is the one they gave me, and this is the one I have. And your scalp is lighter, so I think I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, so I went ahead and laid my cap and made sure my baby hairs were out the way. And then I went with Got To Be glue. Went with the gel and the spray to lay the cap down. You know, so I can cut it up. Okay, and then I started cutting the cap away to closest to my baby hairs, but I really did not try to get close to my baby hairs because, again, I didn't want like the cap or like the glue from the wig to ruin my edges, because the Got To Be glue is not as bad for your edges as the glue for the wig is. So like I kind of keep it on my scalp rather than on my hair, you know. And here I'm just going ahead and doing what they say is melting the lace, kind of getting rid of that white line, that thick white line that stood up from me cutting it, and kind of molding that into my head. I also went ahead with alcohol and wiped off the excess glue around it, so, you know, to make no mess. Now I look about bald headed as but that's the goal, you know. Okay, now let's talk about the hair. Okay, so when I got the hair, it came in this nice, cute little box. Let me fix it. Okay, boom, it came like this, right? Cute little box or whatever. And the hair is right here. Okay, this is the hair. It's a curly wig, 16 inches. And throughout the video, you might see hair coming out, but that's just because I went in and plucked it myself and I didn't comb through it, so like the hair I plucked is probably still caught up in the hair. And then, well, it already came pre-plucked, but I just wanted to do a little more. You didn't have to. And here's a hairline or whatever. And it comes pre-bleached also, which is pretty nice. I mean, I could go ahead and re-bleach it again to really get the knots bleached, but you can kind of see that. And it comes with a 10-inch elastic band. Real nice, real secure, and you can change the size. It's adjustable. So if you got a big ass head or a little peanut head, it don't matter. The hair's thick throughout the whole thing. It has the same density. It's real nice. Whatever. Inside, it comes with already 3 sewn in clips, and it actually comes with clips that you can sew in yourself. So it comes with a couple more clips and a new band. So yeah, if you need any replacing, you know what to do. So yeah, it comes with everything you need to kind of do your wig and such. Okay, so this is kind of like a worked on wig, so it's not really like the real texture. So like when I wet it, you'll kind of see it, but I washed it and it's real nice, real soft, combable. It doesn't shed too much. I mean, like, what hair doesn't shed at this point? This is a frontal wig, so a lace frontal wig, so like the parting wise, you can part anywhere. But the deepest part will be down the middle or whatever. I'll show you when I put it on. So let's go ahead and put it on. Okay, actually what I'm gonna do is put makeup on my lace. So this is what it's looking right now, and I'm just gonna put it back so I can focus on the lace. Okay. So it's a pretty good fit with my hairline and the cap. Now what I'm gonna do is apply a couple of layers of glue or whatever and let that dry and stick it on. Stick it on, baby. And the glue I'm using is a Ghost Bond glue. This is the bomb. The last glue I had, like, it would like turn white, it would patch, it would, ugh, it was just so, it was like Elmer's glue, bro. That's what I was feeling like. Where's my shit? Okay, so I put like 2 layers of glue down and it's dry and tacky, so I'm just gonna go ahead and boom, 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 you know, boom, 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 da boom. Okay, there's that. Now let me cut the lace. Oh my goodness, you guys. Like, don't do what I just did. I really just cut my skin. Can you guys see that? That's pure skin I just cut off of my head. Oh my goodness. Okay, so my camera died in the middle of that. So, and I'm about to run out of space. But, so what I did was I cleaned the glue off of, like, what's not being covered by the lace because it's ugly. And then I cut the lace. I don't know how far I got in the last video. I wet the hair and I combed it out. And so what I'm gonna do now is lay its edges or whatever. Okay, so I have mousse. And what I'm gonna do is just... Okay, I didn't exactly lay my edges. What I did was use the mousse to kind of lay the front of my hair back. And just wrapped it with this hair wrap and let it sit for a while I put other products into my hair. And then here, I just wet my hair and continue to put hair product into my hair because I kind of like the wet look when it comes to these curls rather than the big puffy look. So I kind of heavied it with hair product in a way. Okay, so obviously you just see me put hair product in my hair. But I kind of like this heavy curly look because whatever. So... Okay, so I finished and I put hair product in my hair as you guys seen, and this wig is really nice. Like the texture is really nice and it collected onto my hair product nicely. And like the part is real deep, 6 inches over the average 4, I think that's the average. How long usually a part is. I'm a beginner and I did my hair, period. What's a hair salon? Don't know her, never heard of her. What's paying for to get your hair done? I don't know, never heard of her. Period. Haters will say it's fake. Literally, my makeup is so crusty, it's been all day. I could get sponsored by Nike cause I'm all about that check. You know I'm up now. Figure that's why they hating on me. Figure that's why they hated on me. Period. I should go now. I should go. Okay, let me stop now because it's actually cringy. You know, I could like never watch a YouTube video on my own. Like I don't rewatch my YouTube videos unless they're funny. But I don't rewatch, like I just don't go and watch myself because I make myself cringe. Actually. But that's all like that's it, folks. Or was it? That's the end of Looney Tunes. This is the bomb, boy. This is really the bomb. I should get sponsored by Nike cause I'm all about that check and you know I'm up now. I'm figuring out why they hating on me. That right 2. Now that right 3. Wando Rondo, if you're watching this, just know you my baby. Alright, y'all, that's all I gotta say or whatever. All I gotta do, y'all watch me put in the wig. I showed y'all whatever, how I do that. Y'all seen that. And I don't got much to say. Stay tuned for my next videos or whatever because they finna be tea. Just know that, and I'm finna come with good shit for y'all. Just know that I'm about to come with good content or whatever. Just know that I got some coming soon. Just know that. But to keep up, you know, make sure you subscribe to my channel or whatever, and like my video, and watch out for my next videos, and make sure you stay updated because I know. I peep all that. But this is...
We living in life, we don't live it twice, so we gon' get right. Oh, yeah.